Hello everybody, this is Craig from Indigo Cycles again, putting up another video on the GLD, which is a Spider Gold Trust, which is the 10% of gold, and a very helpful chart, as this one is not as expensive as actually buying gold, and it is optionable as well, so one of the pluses on it. So getting into this, I'd like to show the original post on Indigo Cycles. This was actually done June 14th, 2012 at 2:36 a.m., which would be Pacific time or Los Angeles time. So, which would make it about 4:36 my time. Okay, the post was done. GLD will see a high point today of 158.40 plus or minus NTA. NTA stands for not trading advice. I'm not a licensed trader or a licensed broker, so I cannot offer trading advice. What I'm actually offering is just my insights into charting, and that is all. What you do with this information, well, that's up to you. Okay, with that being said, let's jump into the chart. So, here we have the original GLD chart that I'd done, that I'd used for that posting. I did not post this chart. I just had made the money call. So looking at what I said, June 14th will be at 158.40. So what we have here is the high hitting 157.94. Now originally I thought, well, that's pretty good. That's within 50 cents of the price call. But I did not remember a couple of the key things. There is an orb on these, and for this one, whoops, didn't mean to do that. Okay, for this one, 1 day orb out, the high here was 158.46. So I was actually about 24 hours plus off on the timing. So, and still, that is not bad. I'm 6 cents off of the price. And it was a very, in my opinion, it was a very, very good call. So what I'm going to show is how to adjust these charts, and as you've seen, I moved around a couple of the angles already. And what I want to do is I want to take this daily angle and apply it to the 158.46 high right in there, and then connect this one back. Now I have already done a extended call on GLD, which would be sitting at about 153.16, I believe. Yeah, right there. And that was going to be for the day of Friday, July 6th. Okay, because I did move this out 1 day, I'm going to have to extend this out 1 day as well. So move it to, should be the 9th, I believe. Yes, 9th of July. And hopefully I kept the price about the same. Oops, dropped it down. Because I was basing all the pricing at, there we go, 153.16. I was basing the pricing on this point, on this point here. I was basing that on the price of this point. So that's why you have to make sure that the prices are the same, it's just the days are off now. They're 1 day out. And that's part of the orb issue that I believe is okay. One more thing on the GLD chart I am going to show is a possible alternative route that this will take. What we're going to look at is what could happen during an inversion. Now, to show the alternate route, one has to be kind of versed with L.J. Jensen's book. This is some of the stuff I've learned, so I'm going to kind of do this from the hip. First off is when in an inversion, it will automatically drop down. And it should probably drop down to about the weekly angle. And then rebound off of there and shoot up into, just at a rough guesstimate, right in here. One of the things I can do with this is to kind of back up a little bit and kind of get me an idea on price, which I like. Just kind of looking right in here. about 176. 176.40 is what we'll say on there. Zoom back in. And then you're going to take your angle. Kind of up here. See how close we are to that. Yeah, one side's a little bit on the low side, but that's okay. And I will leave these lines up on this chart to see how this actually works out. When doing this, you want to do 2 alternate routes on this, just in case, so you can follow these lines. This was done on EXK as well. Follow the lines, and when you see either, depending on what position you may take on this, if you're looking for the low, well, you want to make sure that it stays and respects this angle right here, and which it will up until probably around the 20th of June. So right in here is where you want to kind of watch out on the 21st, see which way it's starting to go. If it starts moving up at a rapid pace, you may want to reverse a position and try to catch the call on this. You will still make decent, maybe make a little bit of money here, reverse your position and take it on up if it does that. So it's kind of something that you have to watch out for. There is no true easy way to do these. So a couple other real quick things I want to reiterate during this is respecting of the angles. If you notice the weekly angles, which are in purple on this one, respecting of the angles happens right in here and throughout on both of these shown angles. Also, the daily angles are being very well respected, which is a good indication of good set of angles. And with that being said, I am going to close this video, and we are going to shut it down for the weekend. Tomorrow is Father's Day, so everybody out there that is concerned, happy Father's Day. And everybody have a great weekend. Thank you.